So Polymeric is a ink company, ink and coatings company. We've been in business since 1993. We started in the screen industry. Over the years, we have transformed into not just screen ink, but we also do a lot of functional coatings. We do a lot of digital inks as well. And what we are is really, I'm saying, an innovation and an enabling company. We enable our customers to solve problems for their customers.
Polymeric was built as a small screen ink manufacturer. From there, we branched out. We've always been on kind of the cutting edge with usage of new raw materials, developing inks that are kind of ahead of their times. Don't necessarily fit in at that time, but down the road, they end up changing the industry. Because we're a smaller manufacturer, we are able to take a project and turn it around quicker than most of the larger manufacturers. Our team works very well together with each other as well as our raw material suppliers to get things brought in quickly and tested quickly and sent out to the customer in a timely manner.
What does Dream Print Innovate mean at Polymeric? Obviously, dream is we are encouraging our customers to dream about the possibilities and expand those possibilities. Print is where we come in. The print is developing those solutions, developing the solutions that allow them to make those dreams become reality. And that's the innovate is not just our innovating, it's the innovation that our customers are able to do with their customers. And that's really what we're focused on, is allowing our customers to innovate. And so our innovation, again, are empowering and enabling our customers to do things for their end customers that today they could not do. And that's, again, that's where Polymeric is different.
At Polymeric, we tend to work hand in hand with the customers. Any projects that are brought to us from them, no matter how far-fetched, we tend to take on and work through it with the customer, with their process, and formulate inks that fits their issues. Anywhere from protective coatings to digital inks that go above and beyond other ink systems.
Really, we encourage our customers to reach out and contact us to see what is possible, because often we can make the impossible possible.